I'm Katie Ullman reporting for Katie Chats at the Unifrost Films Red Carpet in downtown Toronto. I'm here with actress Isabelle Candelier. How does it feel? Hi, how does it feel to have your feature film here at TIFF?
Yeah, it's a thrilling feeling because I saw the movie for the first time today, and in Toronto with a Canadian audience, and I have to say, supposedly the director told me that it was the best audience ever because people were reacting to absolutely everything. So it was like a marvelous experience for me to see the movie in those conditions in the Garden Theater, which is an incredible place.
With all the plants?
Yeah, sorry?
The one with all the plants?
Oh my God, yeah. And the movie talks about Emma Bovary, who's a character from the 19th century. So there was something that was just altogether was great.
And what's the best part about working on a piece about women that's also a period piece?
Yeah, it's not really a period piece. It's a modern adaptation of Gemma. It's called Gemma Bovary. So it's like a girl from nowadays, and a neighbor is having the fantasy that she's Emma Bovary, and it's like he's sure she's gonna die. And she at the beginning of the movie she's dead. So there's like a little mystery what happened. And anyway.
Right. Well, thank you so much and congratulations.
You're very welcome. Thank you.